Welcome back to my channel. I have 30 seconds to do this intro, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's a tutorial on this look. I am doing makeup tutorials and different videos now, if you guys haven't caught on or read my descriptions lately. I am doing a variety of different videos, so subscribe or, you know, unsubscribe, whatever you want to do, if you want to keep watching my videos or not. But if you guys want to see how to get this look, please keep on watching. I used the MAC Blue Brown pigment. It's my favorite pigment ever. It's so pretty. So if you guys want to learn how to get this look, keep on watching. Like this video if you guys like it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Alright, hey guys, so I'm starting off by using this shadow. I believe it's called Silk Cream. And I'm just using this as the transition shade to, you know, blend all the shadows that I'm going to put on later. And I'm using this on a Morphe M433. And then I'm using the shade next to it and below it. Don't know the shades that these are called, but I'm putting that basically in the same area. And I'm just building up this color. We just want some warmth behind all the deeper, darker colors that we're going to put on top. So then I'm taking Saddle from MAC and I'm deepening up the crease, and I'm slowly deepening the crease as I go along. I'm just going to keep building this up. Next I'm taking Cocoa Bear, and these are all on the same brush. I would prefer to use other brushes. I don't know why I just decided to use the same brush for a lot of colors. But anyway, so I'm putting that in the outer corner and crease. Again, building these colors up. I'm really just building this crease up. I just want a dramatic crease. And it came out a little bit more dramatic than I wanted to, I will say, but whatever. So I'm taking this deep raspberry color. I love this shade. Do you see how pretty that is? Oh, it's like a beautiful like wine raspberry, super pretty. Anyway, so I'm packing that on with this Anastasia brush and then blending it out with that 433 brush again. And you can build this up even more intense than this if you want, or you can take it down, you know, like 3 notches. So I'm taking a shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and then also Cherry Cola from Makeup Geek, and that's going to be my deep, dark burgundy shade. It's a little bit more purple, but, you know, we're going with it. And this look came out a lot more dramatic than very first time I did it, and, you know, other couple times I've done this look, but, you know, I was just feeling super dramatic this day. I'm not really sure why. Anyway, so I took this Studio Fix powder from MAC to kind of bring down the shadow from my brow bone because it was getting a little bit too high. And then I took the NYX glitter glue to make sure that this MAC Blue Brown pigment sparkled, and it was the most pigmented thing ever. And I love using this glitter glue for pigments because it really, really makes it stand out and be as opaque and as sparkly and glittery as possible. And then if you want, you can use some MAC Fix Plus. That's what I did to make it even more shiny and intense. So again, just in fast forward motion, and then I tilted my head way back because I took a lot of shadow on that brush. Didn't want fallout, but got fallout anyway. And again, I'm just patting this on. And if you do wet your brush, you kind of want to sweep the shadow onto the lid so that it almost foils it and kind of just makes it super, super foily and metallic. I love it. So anyway, after I do this, I kind of blended out the shadow, the blue-brown pigment, so that it blended in with the crease. And then I swiped away all my fallout. And then I took the second highlight shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. Sometimes I forget to do this, but it definitely makes a huge difference, so try not to. So I took a couple oranges and just put that on the lower lash line, and that's just going to help blend out the dark burgundy brownish shade that we're going to put right on top. And I used the same dark burgundy and browns that I used in the crease, on the lid, you know, the whole shebang. You just, you know, what you use on top, you use on bottom, and then vice versa. And I wanted the darkness to be at the very base of the lash line, so I took a flat brush and applied it that way. Whatever works for you, works for you. And then just blended it out again with that Anastasia brush. take the MAC Studio Fix powder again on a bigger brush and just kind of cleaned up the outer edge. And then lashes are done. I use the Kiss lashes in number 11 and Ardell Individuals in medium. I'll put that blue-brown pigment on the very bottom inner half of my lower lash line. Added some mascara to the bottom lash line, and this is Benefit's Roller Lash. And then here I lined my lips with MAC's Strip Down Liner and then filled it in with MAC's Creme de Nude Cream Sheen Lipstick, and that is my absolute favorite nude lip combo at the moment. It's very, very pretty, makes your lips look super, super luscious and voluminous, and it reminds me kind of the 90s, so that's my absolute favorite right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.